everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix unable to activate eSIM on your iPhone. So if you're unable to activate your eSIM on your iPhone, you could follow the steps. So first thing, if your eSIM displays activating or activation failure, you likely have installed an eSIM but haven't reached your destination yet. You could also be outside of a zone of your coverage provider. Ensure you have purchased the right eSIM for the country you visited. You could also check with the carrier to see which network they cover. Remember that you must be in a zone for you to activate the eSIM as well. Once you've actually done it, so it should be able to help you out. Coverage zone as an issue, your iPhone might not be eSIM compatibility as well. Now you could check out the list of compatible devices to rule this out. You could find out and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Likewise, you could also install 8 or more eSIMs on most iPhone, but only selected models can have two active simultaneously. If you do not have a device allowing dual eSIM, you'll have to ensure only the one you want to enable it. So now then what you could also do is you could also actually check your network settings need to be updated. So for that, you want to actually go to your settings. When you go to settings, you want to go to cellular or mobile network and internet. After which you want to select your eSIM that is not toggled on. You want to make sure to go ahead and click on network selections. After which you want to go ahead and make sure to click on automatic and toggle the button. Likewise, other thing what you could also do is you could also see whether the data roaming is enabled. There you want to go to the SIM that you're connected and make sure data roaming is enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.